let's get to the unboxing of the American Express Business Platinum card. So let's get into the unboxing. I have a different angle. Now, one of the things I might want to do is probably buy another camera and some more stuff with regards to, so you guys can get better angles on my videos. I know it's just mundane and normally set up this way, but let's look at the packaging with regards to it. Comes in the mail, got the information. This is basically the packaging that it came. Extremely urgent is what it says there. And then it has the information. So let's open this thing up.